Question number 30. The diagram shows a pair of the circuit containing logic gates. In which diagram does the lower circuit of the pair behaves differently from the upper circuit? Here in the option A, we can see that it's NOT gate. NOT gate changes 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. So if I consider input is 1, it changes into 0. In the second circuit, here is NAND gate. Again I consider the input is 1. Here will be 1 and 1. NAND gate is formed when we apply NOT gate over AND gate. And in the AND gate we say that if both of the inputs are high, the output will be high. So the output of the AND gate is high, which is 1. When I apply NOT gate, here will be output 0. Both of these inputs 1 and output is same. It means that option A is incorrect. Now we see the option B. Here this is AND gate. I consider input 1 and 0. This changes into 0 by the application of AND gate. Second, here is 2 NAND gate. I consider again the inputs 1 and 0. 1 and 0 changes into 1 by the application of the NAND gate. So here will be 1. This 1 and 1 comes here. So when AND gate applied here, the input is 1. By the application of the NOT gate, this changes into 0. Again the outputs are same. So B option is also incorrect. Now we see option C and D. In the option C, here is OR gate. Again I consider inputs 1 and 0. 1 and 0 by the application of OR gate changes into 1, because in the OR gate we say that if any one of the input is high, the output will be high. Second, here is NOR gate and NAND gate. Inputs are 1 and 0. NOR gate is formed when we apply NOT gate over OR gate. So 1 and 0 changes into 1 by the application of the OR gate, and this changes into 0 by the application of the NOT gate. So here will be output 0. There will be 0 and 0. 0 and 0 by the application of NAND gate changes into 1. So both of these outputs are same. It means that C option is also incorrect. Now we check the last one, option D. Here it is AND gate. Again I consider 1 and 0. 1 and 0 by the application of AND gate changes into 0. Here is NOR gate and NOT gate. Inputs are 1 and 0. 1 and 0 by the application of NOR gate changes into 0, and 0 changes into 1 by the application of NOT gate. It means that both of these circuit behaves differently because here outputs are different. So D option is correct from here.